crowned champions, Darbhanga Diamonds take a bow. They've beaten Patna Pilots in a very entertaining final here at the Urja Stadium. And it was only fitting that the man with the highest number of wickets, 11 of them, in the final, in the penultimate over, hits those winning runs. Shabir is the hero. And Darbhanga is elated because the inaugural edition of the Bihar Cricket League has been won by the Diamonds from Darbhanga. There you go, that's the winning hit. Hoiked into the mid-wicket region. We thought maybe one, maybe two, but it was a four.